Now what we gotta do is do something different, and it is now taking our knowledge that we have and our mindset that's optimized for finding trending products, and we're gonna bring it straight to the market in a retail store. So
Push up that flag in the air.
what is up, YouTube? Thanks for coming to this channel. This is my very first video, and I'm very excited to have you guys come check this out. If you're new to this channel, please click subscribe, and I am looking forward to giving you guys the content that you guys want. So a little bit of a background about me. I have done Shopify dropshipping, I've done Amazon wholesaling and private labeling, and a lot of that I'm still doing. A lot of my partners, I partnered up with very good people, and they are working on that as I'm doing this business, and I totally recommend partnership, and I can talk to you guys a little bit more about that in future videos. But today's topic is about a new concept that nobody's ever done before. And so if you guys have a lot of experience like I do, you guys have touched into the Shopify and Amazon online type of stuff, I think you guys will like this concept a lot. So I want to tell you guys a little bit about how I got into this. So I went on vacation with my girlfriend to Japan and Hong Kong, and I saw the way they do business there, and I'm like, why don't I bring it back here to Canada? So here I am, I'm sharing this idea with you guys, and basically what we do is we take our knowledge from Shopify and trending products, and we bring it to the physical stores here in your town, or your city. And there's no competition in what we're doing here compared to online business on Facebook. We're full of the Facebook ads, and it's drenched in competition. You guys know that. It's hard to convert. The online world is now getting too used to Shopify stores in 2018. Now what we gotta do is do something different, and it is now taking our knowledge that we have and our mindset that's optimized for finding trending products, and we're gonna bring it straight to the market in a retail store so that our customers can come and actually feel our trending products and see it with their own eyes. And you're gonna find people that have never seen our products ever. So I will be making future videos about how I'm getting into it, how I got into it, how I got a lease, how I was able to find leases, like finding the best deals ever, how I source my products, how I speak to my suppliers, and the finances, and with the financial numbers, we break down into our ROIs and how much products we purchase and things like that. Different categories of products that retail store wants. Where to find the best mall locations, creating product display, shelves, units. I'm gonna build my own unit and show you guys how I was able to build it from wood. Different ways that we can display products. Private labeling packages will also need to be made, so I'll go in depth on how I'm able to do that with you guys. And as all of these things are going in my life, I am going to be vlogging. I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to do this step by step, so to keep you guys updated. And I want to inform you guys on how it goes, and I'm going to just give you guys the best content that you guys deserve. So subscribe if you guys haven't already. Be looking forward to finding new content from me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.